Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my One Railway collection updated. Now, you might remember a while ago I did a collection video. Yeah, well, this is an updated version with updated models and updated new stuff. So first we have Thomas, Edward, Henry, Godzilla, my favorite boy James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald, Douglas, definitely Oliver, Emily, there's no one quite like Emily, Bill, Ben, Spencer, Molly, Arthur, Hero without Tender. Well, some of these models aren't completely fixed or have their stuff, so Stepney, Billy, Flora, Roso, Lady, Ashima, I'm invisible, Merlin, Harvo, Scaloi, Reneus, Sir Handel, Peter Sam, Duncan, I don't have a Rusty, Ivo Hugh, and what's his name? Freddy, Victor, Cody, and Mike. This is the end of the first part of this 5-part series. Stay tuned for next time.